Hi, Cassie and Erica. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to go over the current bill pay option, the check run approval that you guys are working towards, just to kind of go over in detail. We have this proposed to pay button here, proposed to pay screen. And within the screen, you can see it has proposed to pay. So I actually want to take a quicker dive into how this works, just so you can see real quick. In order for this to work, we had to add a custom field, which is getting pulled up right now. You see in here, we added this custom here, proposed for payment, right? So that allows for this to be filled, and it's a little checkbox, and and it automatically goes to off, and then when they're ready to propose it for payment, it goes to on, right? And that's when it goes here. So when you actually press this, right? So let's say actually it's approved Sol Novas, right? We can go here. We're gonna do these specifically. Right? We'll approve those. And then now we want to know actually how much are we actually approving, proposing to pay. And we can see here we're proposing $434,000. Right? So the senior accountant or the AP would do at that point, and that's how it would go from there. And now it would be your Cassie would go in and pay the bills. So you go to transactions, payables, and pay vendor invoices, I believe. Yeah. So you'd go in here. So I added this. I added this field due to another requirement, but I'm going to turn it off now and just stipulate, make it empty, right? And that way it's loading, but we only want to see the proposed payments, right? So we can go here. We can see all the ones we proposed, and you see these are the Sol Novas, and so you can go ahead click all of them, and then maybe select the specific ones you don't want to pay. We also added this field in here really quickly because it was a request by Erica. She said in the beginning of the year, you guys are going to set things up that certain vendors can only be paid from certain accounts. So based off that logic, we thought maybe we'll set it up that we'll add an additional column in here and say Sol Nova, let's find it here. Sol Nova can only be paid from a certain account, right? So it'll show you all the Sol Novas that have been proposed to pay, and then you can make sure you select the correct account that's associated with them. Right? So you start with that. Goes in here, and then you can do that, and you can do to be printed. I'm going to go over to that. You can also see the thing that I'm currently working on right now is sourcing the department and the class in here. It's a bit tricky because it's on the line level. I'm working through it right now to see how we can get this across the finish line, but involving the check run, this would be the current process. And again, how it would look like is from here, the senior accountant or the AP would choose which ones they're proposing. And then by clicking on, and then once they do that, Cassie would go into payables and pay vendor invoices, right? And they would go in here and choose propose. And if they want, they can choose the vendor to make sure they're paying out the correct account. And you can see what's available here. Hope this helps. Let me know what your thoughts are, and we can get this implemented. I'll have some feedback soon about filling these out. We just have to do some clever save searches, documentation, filling in from the line level, and sourcing. And it's a little bit more complicated than anticipated, but we'll get it completed soon. Hope you guys are having a good day, and talk to you soon.